everyone, I'm Trainer Isabel and welcome back to Young Engineers. This is lesson 9 of our 10-part series Play Machines Season 2, where we learn about science, technology, engineering and mathematics in a cool, fun and exciting manner. Now before we begin, let's congratulate our friends for winning the Best Model Award of last lesson. Great job guys! Now let's move on to a quick recap of last lesson. In the last lesson, we created a model called the continuous turning fan. We used the concept of oscillation from the pendulum swing of the previous lesson and the concepts of kinematic chain from lesson 3, skeletal systems. Now, moving on to today's lesson. In today's lesson, we are back at the amusement park and we are here to check out a very cool ride. This is called the Alibaba ride. Now, the Alibaba ride is made up of this: a gondola on one side and a 360-degree pendulum swing to create the Alibaba magic carpet floating effect ride. Now, quick quiz. Who can tell me if this ride is symmetrical or asymmetrical? And the answer is asymmetrical. Now, if you draw an invisible line vertically down the shaft of this amusement ride, you notice that the left side is not equal to the right side, thus making it asymmetrical. Now, if you have not ridden this ride before, let's watch a video to see how this ride works. How the ride works, do you want to be part of the ride? Well, it is a very fun ride as it goes up really slowly and comes down really quickly. And thus, the name of this ride is also known as the Magic Carpet Ride. I hope you get to try it when you go to the amusement park. Now let's move on to today's building. Go to Building Sheet, download the Alibaba Amusement Ride. Follow the steps to create your own Alibaba amusement ride. The steps in red are enhancements. You do not need to do them if you do not have the time. Now once again, before we start building, let's go through our 4 rules. Our first rule is only use the parts from your own kit. Our second rule is always count. Our third rule is colors do not matter unless they are pins. And our fourth rule is always be prepared for class. Now that we've gone through our rules, let's start building. Have you completed your models? Great, if you have done so. Once again, upload a video of your models into Seesaw. We'll be voting for the Best Model Award of this lesson. We come to the end of class. I hope you have learned something new and I hope to see you again next lesson. Goodbye!